Basketball and soccer are played with a spherical ball. Even though an athlete dribbles the ball in both the sports, a basketball player uses his hands and a soccer player uses his feet. The projectile is the path traced of soccer ball and basketball are in the form of parabola, representing quadratic polynomial. The shape of the path traced shown in figure. See the figure and tell me the answer. The answer is parabola. Answer D. The graph of a parabola opens upward. Parabola means curve. Either it may be like this or like this. It may be opened upward or opened downward. This is open downward, this is open upward. The graph of the parabola opens upward if, what is the condition? Either a equal to 0 or less than 0 or greater than 0 or a greater than or equal to 0. That is, the standard quadratic polynomial is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here a represents the coefficient of x squared. For a quadratic polynomial, a should not be 0. So the graph of the parabola opens upward when it will be upward. This is open upward when a is greater than 0. Upward position is, this is upward position. This happens only when a is greater than 0. That is, coefficient of x square should be greater than 0. That is option C. Answer option C, a greater than 0. This value. Observe the following graph and answer. In the above graph, how many zeros are there for the polynomial? See the number of zeros. Number of zeros is based on how many times the curve touches the x-axis. The number of zeros is equal to the number of times the curve touches the x-axis. Here, how many times it touches the x-axis? This is the curve. It touches the x-axis here. 1, 2, 3. 3 places. In 3 places, this curve touches the x-axis. Our answer is 3. That is option D. Option D, answer 3. That is what we should know. The number of zeros equal to number of times the curve touches the x-axis. This is no need to write. For your understanding, I have written. The 3 zeros in the above shown graph are, what are the zeros? Zeros are present here. We have to find which one is the correct one. Let us find the zeros now. The coordinates of the zeros. Here minus 3 comma 0. X coordinate is minus 3, y coordinate is 0. Okay, in this point minus 1 comma 0 and this point 2 comma 0. Here we have written x and y coordinates, but the options stated only x coordinates. So we have to pick the answer from here. That is minus 3, minus 1 and 2. These are the zeros. This one corresponds to option C. So answer C is correct. Next one, what will be the expression of the polynomial? We have to find the polynomial from these zeros. Let us find x equal to minus 3. So x plus 3 equal to 0. And x equal to minus 1. So it will become x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 2. So x minus 2 equal to 0. Each one is equal to 0. So when we multiply these 3 equations, we will be getting 0 again. So x plus 3 into x plus 1 into x minus 2 equal to 0. We will multiply these two first. This answer corresponds to option A. So answer A. X cube plus 2x square minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. Hope you understand. Thank you.